Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to lock specific cells in Excel to prevent others from editing them. Open Microsoft Excel. As you can see, we have a sheet full of data. By default, all cells are locked, but protection is not active yet. Step 1. Select all cells. Press Ctrl+A. Right-click. Click Format Cells. Go to Protection tab. Uncheck Locked. Click OK. Now all cells are unlocked. Step 2. Select the cells you want to lock. Right-click. Click Format Cells. Go to Protection. Check Locked. Click OK. Step 3. Enable Sheet Protection. Go to Review tab. Click Protect Sheet. Enter a password. Click OK. Now only selected cells are locked. Try editing them, Excel will not allow it. To unlock, go to Review. Click Unprotect Sheet. Enter password. This is useful for protecting formulas while allowing data entry. That's how you lock cells in Excel.